Hey Monopoly Go fans, running low on dice? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to get free dice so you can roll non-stop and level up fast. Let's dive in. First up, the easiest method, daily login rewards. Just open the game every day and you will get free dice, cash, and sometimes sticker packs too. Don't skip a day or you will miss out. Next, check out the limited time events. These are challenges like hitting milestones, completing sticker album, or participating in tournaments. And they almost always reward you with free dice. Did you know you can get free dice by inviting friends? Just share your invite link. Each new player who joins through your link can get you up to 30 dice for free. And here's a secret tip. Follow Monopoly Go on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. They post special free dice link almost every day. Tap those links and get instant rolls. And that's how you can get free dice and keep rolling without spending a penny. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Monopoly Go secrets.